This is Morgan McCray, a student at Oakland Catholic High School and a Remake Learning Days Youth Ambassador. I just attended the Artist Talk and Sensebound Songwriting workshop with songwriter and producer INEZ at the Homewood Rushton Branch YMCA. When I first arrived, I got the opportunity to interview Amos Levy, a teaching artist and program coordinator, to learn more about his experience with YMCA Lighthouse and his mission for the community.
So it goes back pretty far for me that when I was graduating college all the way back in 2007, I met James Armstead Brown, who's currently the director of the Lighthouse program, has been a long-time director of it. And at that time, he was helping teach a weekend sort of hip-hop education program at Carnegie Mellon University. And I was helping with that program. And then years later, when he got into working with Lighthouse, it originally was based in Westinghouse High School. And I started teaching some beat-making, recording stuff over there. And we moved to the Homewood Rushton YMCA branch in 2016. And to me, the big meaning of it is about building connection, community, safe space for young people that the age of social media, technology, and it's become especially acute in the age of COVID, and people are separated and isolated more. So through making art and hanging out, we're able to connect teens and other people as well and build spaces where they can share and hear other people out, be understood, build trust. It's very important for people's mental health to have those things.
During the workshop, we learned about the practice of Sensebound songwriting, which is utilizing your five senses to create descriptive and engaging imagery in lyrics. We were given a word to interact with using our senses and challenged to write a story in 10 minutes. Afterwards, we wrote choruses based on lines from the stories and put instrumental music behind them. Although the practice of songwriting is new to me, the Sensebound method was very easy to grasp, and I had a lot of fun attempting this new skill. Overall, I learned a lot about the creative process that goes into songwriting, and it was interesting to see participants find their voice and creativity through this exercise. I think I'll be writing music more often. After the workshop, I had the opportunity to speak with INEZ to better understand why she works with the Lighthouse Project and gives back in such an impactful way. She said that the Lighthouse Project gives youth a chance to pursue their creative dreams in a comfortable and safe environment. She chooses to give back through music because she has a true gift and love for her community. She also notes that during difficult times, music has given her an outlet to express how she was feeling, and she would love to be that outlet for others. I believe that INEZ's work and mission are extremely beneficial for the Homewood Rushton community, and I would love to support another event just like this. For Remake Learning Days, this is Youth Ambassador Morgan McCray.